So we got ourselves a interesting patent here from Oppo, which doesn't mean that they're coming out with this cell phone, by the way. They kind of moved away from flippable cell phones a little bit. But still, nice to see, a fresh patent that we can take a look at. Plus, this patent is more rendered, so we can actually see, the rendered images. I never understood the whole premise or size hype behind this concept of flippable cell phone, where you have, the right side is going to be all camera modules. The left side is, a smaller display. I don't know, maybe I'm crazy to say this. I just feel like the Z Flip series / the Motorola series, perfection. They have done an excellent A+ job when it comes to the layout and the concept of the phones. Because there's a bunch of other phones out there that made in China that kind of resemble a lot what Oppo has here. Where sometimes you'll have 3 camera setups or 4 lenses in the corner of the display, which again, I don't think it's a bad idea to have better cameras on flippable phones, but I feel like unilaterally everyone wants to be able to utilize this outside display. You don't want the outside display to just be a simple glance display. You want it to actually be utilized and be able to be utilized, every day of your life pretty much when you're utilizing this phone. I remember when I used to daily drive the Z Flip series, that was a huge thing. The outside display was amazing, especially with Cover OS. You could just mount it in your car and have a little GPS system right there, or a music player, or whatever you wanted, and you can actually utilize the outside display. Yes, opening the phone up is still, an option, but it's nice to have that outside display and be able to utilize it correctly. So, again, like I said, this phone's probably never going to come out, but still a cool concept, and hopefully Motorola / Z Flip series never goes this direction. I don't know. Again, like I said, this is not the first Oppo flip phone that has come out. I believe they have 3 generations of flip phones. It's just not my cup of tea, which is crazy to say because I absolutely love their foldable phones. The Oppo foldable phones are the best out there, but for some reason they didn't ever kick it with the flip versions. And I know Vivo, the sister company, they're coming out with their foldable phone sometime soon. I'm pretty sure they're going to come out with a flippable phone as well. So, crazier things, guys. But definitely tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. Make sure to like and comment down below if you are indeed new. See you guys next one. Peace out.